Hi everybody, I'm Sarah Beth in the Urban Accents Kitchen, and I am here to show you our new Culinary Wingman Everything Rubs. These new blends make cooking everything easier. We designed them to be your new favorite pantry staple. You just choose your protein or your veggie and you let Urban Accents deliver the flavor. Our catch of the day peppery citrus rub is perfect for any seafood you're cooking, whether it's fresh from the water or straight from the freezer. This blend has lots of coarse black pepper and it's balanced with bright citrus peel and a savory base of garlic and onion. This seasoning is super versatile, and one of the simplest ways to use it is to generously sprinkle your favorite fish fillet and then pan-sear it in a hot skillet with just a little bit of oil. The peppery citrus makes a really good marinade when mixed with some olive oil and lemon juice. This one isn't just good on seafood, it's also great on vegetables. We love a zesty, fresh zucchini ribbon salad. This blend is really clean and has classic flavors designed to let the seafood shine. For recipes and more, visit urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen.